They sell these giant gumdrops at Hobby Lobby around Christmas time. I've seen them every year for the last couple of years. So just pick them up, and I'm just going to pull out the little ornament hook. I've just mixed up some lightweight spackle with some white paint and Mod Podge. You don't need a tip. And I'm just going to start squeezing that out like fake frosting and make a nice drip here on this gumdrop. Now I'm just going to take a little plastic spoon, or you could take a popsicle stick, and I'm just going to start smoothing down the fake frosting, and then I'm going to add some more, make those drips a little bit fatter. And I'm still trying to keep them where they look kind of random. Now I'm sprinkling on some fine glitter. This is Glitz by Michaels. And then I'm going to take a dry paintbrush and tamp down the glitter and the spackle. Once you add glitter to it, it kind of holds it in place. It dries it out a little bit, and you're able to tap it down and kind of sculpt it a little bit. So now it's time to add some fake sprinkles. I'm using my Unicorn Christmas mix and some little blue rhinestones I have in my shop, Glam Candy Boutique on Etsy. I'm just going to add those all over the top and sides. So this is how this came out. You can also do clay, and I will show you that one on a different colored gumdrop.